Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. But for now we have to select the plus icon in the bottom bar. Then the app is going to show us a list of different kinds of formats that we can use, and we have to select the Facebook post from this list. We tap on this, then the app is going to load and create the format. We are going to be offered some templates and some styles that we can apply to this post. And after that we can just start creating, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.